Hi everyone, it's Rachel here and I want to welcome you back to Rachel Brands Designs. So for today's video, I'm going to be making a couple of signs for my sister's bridal shower. So I have a picture frame here, which I purchased from my local Dollar Tree, and we'll be using these different picture frames throughout to put on different tables for her bridal shower. So what you do need will be a Cricut pen. And any Cricut machine, so either the Explorer or I'm going to be using my Maker. So let's go ahead and jump into Cricut Design Space and I'll show you the different designs that I've come up that I'll be placing here in the picture frame. Here in Cricut Design Space, these are the two signs that I created. The signs are going to be cut out at 8 by 10 and I'm going to be using cardstock from Recollection. It's going to be in a blush color. My sister's theme of her bridal shower is like blush and white. When it comes to the font I selected, this one here is called Algebra, and then this font here is called Cottage Style. One thing that's very important is you want to ensure that your everything is attached together. So therefore, when I send it to my maker, it's going to, write out the font, and then on top of that too, it's going to cut out the paper for me. So it's very important that you attach your project together. So I'm going to go ahead and send this to my maker to cut out for me. All right, so now that everything has been written out and also cut out, so I'm going to go ahead and now remove them from the mat. So when you're doing this, it's very important for you, instead of just taking it off, because it will help, it will actually kind of bend the cardstock. What you're going to do is you're going to flip it upside down and then slowly you're going to remove it. But I always kind of like to have my hand there on the cardstock and slowly remove the mat off. See, all right, and that came out perfect. So we have the first one done, and then I'm going to do the same thing to the second one. So I have my mat flipped over here, and then I'm going to slowly remove the mat from the cardstock, and it just removes off perfectly, and there's like no bending at all with the cardstock. All right, so both of the signs here, they look so good. So I'm going to go ahead and grab the picture frame so I can put the signs in the picture frame. All right, so I have my picture frames here, so I'm just going to go ahead and flip them around. And then, right, so take out that piece of paper from here, and I have my first sign here. Make sure it fits perfectly. Yep, it fits perfectly in the back here. All right. Okay, so perfect. So this is the first one here. And then grab the next one. Make sure that the glass is clean. Yeah, looks good. All right. I hope you liked today's project. Very simple and easy, how you can take a picture frame and make it into a really nice sign. So next time you have any type of get together or a gathering where you need some signs, definitely go ahead to your local Dollar Tree and grab a picture frame. Very simple and easy to make. So if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, you can go ahead and hit that subscriber button. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you on my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye.